Welcome back to an essential expedition into the welfare of our beloved furry companions. We're all well versed in the common perils that can jeopardize our dog's health, from hazardous foods to harmful cleaning products and the wrath of extreme weather. However, today we're embarking on a voyage of discovery, aimed at shedding light on some of the more obscure threats that might be silently affecting your pet's daily life. Being a responsible pet guardian involves more than just avoiding the glaring dangers like chocolate or sweltering temperatures. It's equally crucial to comprehend the subtler, less apparent risks that can easily slip under the radar. Join us as we delve deeper into this world of hidden hazards. Punishing your dog. Using punishment-based training methods can harm your dog emotionally and behaviorally. It can lead to fear, anxiety, and aggression. Positive reinforcement training is a much healthier and more effective approach to shaping your dog's behavior. Essential oils. This is a popular choice for aromatherapy and relaxation, but some oils can be toxic to dogs when ingested, inhaled, or applied to their skin. For example, oils like tea tree, eucalyptus, and cinnamon can cause adverse reactions, including gastrointestinal upset, skin irritation, and respiratory problems. Lack of mental stimulation. Dogs need mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. A lack of mental stimulation can lead to boredom and behavioral problems like destructive chewing or excessive barking. Providing puzzle toys, interactive games, and training sessions can help keep your dog mentally engaged. Electronic cords. Dogs are naturally curious and may chew on electronic cords, which can result in electric shock, burns, or injury. Keep cords organized and out of your dog's reach, and consider using protective coverings to prevent chewing accidents. Human medications. Some over-the-counter and prescription medications intended for humans can be toxic to dogs. For example, ibuprofen and acetaminophen can cause severe health issues. Always store medications out of your dog's reach and consult a veterinarian before giving them any human medication. Household plants. Some common indoor plants like philodendrons, poinsettias, and lilies can be toxic to dogs if ingested. These plants can cause symptoms ranging from gastrointestinal upset to severe poisoning, depending on the plant and the amount ingested. Make sure to keep toxic plants out of your dog's reach. Skipping the doggy dentist. Neglecting your dog's dental health can lead to silent problems like dental disease and tooth decay. These issues can cause discomfort, pain, and can even lead to more severe health problems if left untreated. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential to ensure your dog's oral health. Leaving your dog in the car. Leaving your dog in a hot car, even for a few minutes, can lead to heat stroke, which is life-threatening. On the flip side, leaving them in a cold car can lead to hypothermia. Always prioritize your dog's safety and never leave them in a vehicle unattended. Being aware of these potential hazards and taking preventive measures is crucial for keeping your dog safe and ensuring their well-being. If you suspect your dog has ingested something harmful or is experiencing any health issues, always consult with a veterinarian promptly. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and leave your comments down below. We'll see you in our next video.